In this video, I'm going to show you the stitch that I use the most in all my embroidery hoops. I have a whole playlist of these videos where I go through the embroidery sampler to show you some of the most common stitches in beginner embroidery. This sampler is available on my Etsy shop. I'll link it below. I use carbon paper to transfer all of my patterns onto my fabric. Your embroidery will always look smoother and be more sturdy if you add an extra layer of fabric in the back. I just use a regular cheap cotton for my second layer. My top layer is a linen blend. So today I'm going to show you the backstitch. This stitch is great for words, outlines, and all kinds of other designs. You're going to come up through the back of your fabric and then go down just a bit. Then go that same distance as your first stitch and go back up through the fabric. And come down right next to that first stitch. You can make your stitches longer if you're staying in a straight line, but if you're doing any kind of curve or lettering, you want to kind of keep them shorter. The key to making this stitch look professional is keep all of your stitches about the same length as much as possible. So if you know you got some curves coming up, keep all of your stitches from the beginning shorter. And that is it. This is the stitch I use the most. I use it for almost all of my words on my hoops. And it is so simple to do. You can also make it look a little bit different with the amount of threads that you use. You can always split your thread so that it gives you a thinner line, or you can use more to give you a thicker line. I hope this makes sense. Comment below with any questions or what you want to see next. And subscribe so you can follow along to learn more embroidery stitches.